Okay, this is the McAlister mortgage value chain. So I'm going to start with inbound logistics. And some examples of inbound logistics would be meeting with the customer, educating the customer on different loan products that I have access to, determining what they think would be the best product for them, taking the loan application, running the credit report, gather the customer income verification, their deposit verification, the last 3 months of their bank statements, employment verification, verifying they're employed, and that way you can pretty much do a good pre-approval. You also, when you know you're going to move forward with the loan, you want to contact the attorney to set up a closing date and time and go ahead and order the title work. The other piece of it is the operations, and this would be processing the loan, packaging it up, making sure you have everything you need to send to the bank, and you're going to send it to the bank so the bank can underwrite the loan. You're going to order the appraisal. You're going to complete any additional items the underwriter may come back to you and request. You're going to send the title work and appraisal to the bank, and you're going to wait on getting the underwriting approval. As far as outbound logistics, would be going to the loan closing. I always go to the customer's loan closings just in case any questions come up or there are any glitches. Another piece to this chain is the marketing and sales. There's networking, going to chamber functions, community functions, getting my name out there and the company's name out there, being a member of association and going to those meetings, and just marketing, just meeting with people in marketing. Another piece of this is the internet and social marketing program, which directs my clients back to my company to help me determine the needs, like whether they're a first-time home buyer, whether they have credit issues, I need to find a product for that, or maybe they're building a home, a construction loan. And the last piece of the chain is service, and that would be entertaining customers. I like to keep that relationship established and taking them out to dinner. Customer gifts, I always get a gift and bring it to the loan closing. Customer support, annual reviews of their previous loans, especially when the rates keep on going down. I like to go through all my customers' files and see, okay, a year ago I closed them at this rate, now the rate has dropped this much, and I run the numbers to see if doing another closing and having those closing costs, whether it would benefit them in the long run by the savings on their monthly payment. And also, another piece to this is keeping positive relationships with the banks I work with, and making sure I maintain those positive relationships. It just works better when you're going through that loan process and trying to get answers from the bank. And also expanding other bank relationships. A lot of times I've gone to chamber events, or I was a member of the Rotary Club, and I was able to meet some new banks. And I thank you for listening to the McAlister Mortgage Value Chain.